Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepthi from Dip Scroll Bark. In today's lecture, we are going to do SPL Chapter 5, Judiciary and the Role of the Police. And in today's lecture, we are going to do the important terms of this chapter as well as the back exercise of this chapter. Now, first of all is the important terms. The first important term is the original jurisdiction, the power granted to a certain court to hear cases in the first instance is known as original jurisdiction. Next is election petition, request for to a court to consider the fairness of an election result. Third is FIR. FIR is a complaint submitted to the police called first information report. Next is the witness. Witness means a person who saw the crime taking place. That person is known as witness. Next is the back exercise of this chapter. The first of all, part A is there. Say the answers. The first is who solved the dispute between two states, that is the Supreme Court of India. Second is what type of cases are there. Two type of cases are there. One is criminal, second is civil cases. Third is who give the legal advice to the president. Answer is the Attorney General of India give the legal advice to the president. Fourth is who give the justice to the citizens of India. Answer is Indian judiciary give the justice to the citizens of India. Next is the MCQs. First is the highest court to appeal in a state is session court, district court, Supreme Court or higher court. Answer is D, High Court. Second is the judges of Supreme Court retired at the age of. Answer is age of 65 years. Third is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court is appointed by the. Answer is option A, President. Fourth is the highest authority in a criminal case in a district is. Answer is District Magistrate. Fill in the blanks are there. The judiciary act as the dash of the constitution. Answer is guardian. Second, dash are filed when public interests are undermined by an governmental action. Answer is PIL. Third is the first Lok Adalat met in Delhi in 1985. Fourth, a criminal case begins with the lodging of an dash with police. Answer is FIR. Fifth is dash has been set up in order to provide speedy and inexpensive justice. That is answer is Lok Adalats. So these are the back exercise of this chapter. In next lecture we are going to do the question answers of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.